In many factories, people say, we don't have a time to build systems. But the same people spend hours every day handling problems, firefighting, follow ups, escalations. So the real question is, do you really not have time, or are you losing time because system is not built? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades KMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand why companies feel they don't have time for system building, what is the real issue behind it, and how to start building systems in a practical way. This is not theory, this is based on real shop floor experience. Let's see a typical day. From morning, line issues, customer complaints, urgent calls, follow ups, internal coordination. Everyone is busy, very busy. But still, problems repeat. Same issues comes back. Same discussions happen again. And when someone says, let's improve the system, immediate response, no time. What actually happens? Because system is not built. Problems repeat daily. Same firefighting continues. Same pressure continues. So what happens? Time is not saved. Time is lost every single day. So what's the real root cause? Now understand this clearly. Problem is not time. Problem is priority. In most organizations, urgent work gets priority. Important work gets postponed. System building is important but not urgent. So it is always delayed. So biggest misunderstanding. Many people believe system building needs extra time. This is wrong. System building actually saves time because problems reduce, decision becomes faster, work becomes structured. What happens without system? Without system, same problems repeat. Work depends on memory, no standardization. Decision depends on individuals. This creates continuous firefighting. So what's a practical solution? Now let's make it practical. The first one, start small. Don't try to build everything. Start with one process, one area. Keep it simple. Second, fix daily problems first. Ask yourself, which issue is repeating daily? Start there. Create simple control, checklist, standard process, control point. Third, daily management system, daily review. Just 10 to 15 minutes. Discuss issues, actions, status. This creates control. Fourth, document only what is needed. Avoid heavy documentation. Create simple SOPs, usable SOPs. Focus on use, not paperwork. Fifth, allocate fixed time, even 15 to 20 minutes daily. Consistency matters, not quantity. Sixth, convert problems into systems. Every repeated issue should become a system. Repeated defect, add control. Repeated delay, define process. This is system building. Some common mistakes, avoid this. Waiting for free time. Trying to build everything at once. Overcomplicating system. Ignoring small improvements. These delay progress. So what's the role of leadership? Leadership must change mindset from handling problems to preventing problems. They must allocate time, review progress, support improvements. Without leadership, system will not sustain. When system improves, problems reduce. Time is saved. Stress reduces. Team coordination improves. Performance becomes stable. And most important, work becomes predictable. You don't build system because you have time. You get time because you build system. If system is weak, you will always be busy. If system is strong, you will have control. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe. We focus on practical systems, not just documentation. If you want to build systems that reduce problems and save time, you can connect with Swadesh QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.